Good morning, my friends. It's raining in Florida. Would you believe it? It's raining in Florida. I just want to walk you through one of the houses, similar to such houses available. And I want to walk you through and just show you some of the elements and features which makes this house different than the competition. This is currently listed in the market for sale for $385,000. We're going to talk about the numbers on a separate video, but I just want to point out a couple of things that's happening here. So first of all, this lot over here, it's hard to see. Part of the new code in, by the way, I'm in Northport, Florida, which is about an hour and a half away from Tampa, south of Tampa. The lot is elevated. The older code says elevate some. The newer code says elevated almost, I think it's 8 feet elevation, almost to the end of the lot. So way more, many more trucks have to come here and to meet the new code, which all the other houses nearby do not have that, right? That's a new code. Next thing I want to talk about is this is almost a 2,000 square feet model, and it's what's called net zero energy ready. It's not the only thing that makes it not ready just yet is the fact that there's no solar solar panel, and it's a solar panel ready. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, with a flex room. What's a flex room? Study, den, whatever you want to call it. And it's actually set up in a way that you can make it a 4th bedroom. It has the size of a 4-bedroom. Couple of things that I like about this house that differentiate versus the competition in the market, right? Houses that are listing for similar prices. Number one, you can't see, hard to see maybe, we'll see over here. This is 9.5 foot ceiling, which is the standard is 8. Number one, higher ceilings, nicer houses, helps to sell, helps with future resale value. Tile floor throughout the house. Many houses in the area, some tile, some carpet in the bedrooms, so that's not very common. Quartz, something that you do see on your homes, but not always. You still see a lot of granite, that's definitely there. The windows are, it's called impact windows. I think this is a standard building, 9.5 foot ceilings. I want to show you one other thing on the outside, just to get a sense of the building standard and why this builder is differentiating. Okay, so on the outside, couple of things. This is also storm ready, and you'll see inside the shutters. So there are pins over here that you can look at and see. Those pins, there's panels inside, you'll see in a moment, that are just, you have plenty of time before a storm comes. You just take the panels. All the houses are coming with those panels ready. Every house here will have very common 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are local wells. Very, very common to see in Southwest Florida, to see wells that are providing. This is the softener system that you put salt in order to soften the water in the house. So this is how water are coming, very common. Roof has 30 years warranty, warranty on the roof, if it breaks. Structure has 10 years warranty. You got two large bedrooms over there and bathrooms. Master over there with a large walk-in closet and the master bath, laundry room, and a garage. And this is another feature for those homes. This is a hybrid system, more efficient, part of the net zero. It kind of acts a little bit like a dehumidifier in the garage, using the humidity that's in the garage to make this device, water heater, more efficient. Sorry for the echo. And that's why we have another efficiency feature in this house. Those are the panels, the storm panels, ready with everything here. There's plenty of time before the storm. You probably need an hour or 2 to put all those panels on. Easy to do. It's not easy, but not complicated to do. One more thing that helps with the high energy, net energy standard is attic insulation. Obviously we can see it, but there's foam insulation and not blown or blowout insulation, which is less efficient, which in a way is keeps the house cooler during the summer or most of the year, which this is Florida, is very critical, of course, to have. This house is listed for $385,000 right now. It's on the market. SimplyDoIt investors can buy it for 20. We're still seeing maybe $25,000 less. There is a similar house like this one in the area, same size, that sold for 420. I think it closed April 2025. So 420, similar house with, well, this is 385, and we have an additional discount if you buy through SimplyDoIt. It's not in the open market. If you come over here, you knock on the door, you have a regular transaction, whatever you're able to negotiate, we have already built in, and we're trying to even take it one step further. So house number one, really nice house. Oh, of course, rents. On this one, the rent is between $2,200 to $2,500, okay? So we can definitely take a look at the numbers. For those of you who are concerned about the insurance rates, we got a quote for this house, similar house to this one, in the area for, I think, $770 a year for insurance. So if you're concerned about insurance rates in Florida, talk to an insurance person, talk to us, because there's a lot of misconceptions about it. The reason it's so cheap is mainly the new building standard. So this is a 2024 build with the new buildings, building codes. So newer roof, newer building codes, better elevation, all those factor in to the value of the house on one end, the future resale value of the house on the other hand, and insurance rates. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next video.